Guys, the crypto market is incredibly bullish currently, and I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. We'll also be discussing some more fundamental catalysts, and I will also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand over the years, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we are positioned very well. And guys, smash that like button if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. And guys, do you think this week will be a bearish week or a very green week? Let me know your thoughts down below. Guys, on this channel, I accurately called out the bottom, and I said that will likely be the lowest price that we see cryptos hit, and we have headed up from there. And like I said, guys, we were oversold on a lot of different cryptos and we couldn't go much further down. Guys, the whales couldn't drive the price down any further with fake news and FUD. Guys, they put a lot of money out there in the marketplace so they can get ads out there to scare the new retailer investors on selling out, so the whales can buy in at an even lower price than they already had. Guys, don't let them take your money like this. They already have enough. Don't have paper hands, have diamond hands. Never sell for less than you bought in for, and always have some cash on the side to buy my dips that I call out on my Patreon. And like I've said previously, there is potentially a short squeeze coming for Dogecoin, and I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on that. Guys, some huge news. Market Wrap says that Bitcoin analysts actually expect a short squeeze very soon. A short squeeze is basically where people bet that a stock or crypto price is going to go down. They could potentially make a lot of money if it does exactly what they predict, and they will do everything in their power to make that happen. However, if they bet that it's going to go down and a short squeeze happens planned by the internet and other smaller retailer investors as a conglomerate, guess what, guys? They lose all their money and they get liquidated very quickly. And that's why the longing and shorting options are extremely risky, and I don't recommend it. They then have to buy back their position and they end up opening long positions. This causes a massive amount of volume buying into cryptocurrencies, which can be a good thing for people like you and me. And guys, with the crypto markets recovering, the crypto analysts, including myself, are expecting a massive short squeeze just this week. Guys, you want to get in before this happens. You don't want to have FOMO and get in on the rise. You want to have already bought in at the steep dips that I call out with the cash that you have on the side so that you don't have FOMO and you don't wish you got in earlier. Because Dogecoin and other cryptos have stopped dumping, they've stopped going down, guys, it is now time for another bull run. They are about to head up and they're about to pump very hard. Guys, when fear is very high, that generally means that the market is about to overturn. And on the Fear and Greed Index, we have seen fear at 10. Guys, that is the highest I've ever seen. This is an incredible opportunity to get in before the next bull run, and right before the next bull run. Guys, I am expecting it this week. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, as you can see on the charts, after our downtrend, when I called out the bottom right here, if you bought on my Patreon, you've already made a lot of money because we went up from there. Guys, as you can see, we have a lot more green candlesticks than red ones. Guys, someone tweeted at Elon Musk asking him if he still believes that Dogecoin will overtake all other cryptos and all other currencies, being the #1 cryptocurrency of the world. Elon Musk replied and said, "Is the Pope Catholic?" Guys, what does this mean? This means that he is 100% still on board with making Dogecoin literally the most powerful #1 cryptocurrency in the entire world. But not only is Elon Musk behind this now, guys, Mark Cuban, the founder of Ethereum, literally some of the top, most wealthy people in the entire world. Buying into Dogecoin could be one of the best investments you ever make in your entire life. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. Guys, some blockchain data to confirm our sentiment with Sentiment on Twitter. Guys, yes, his username is Sentiment. Guys, before we discuss this, as you know, when Bitcoin goes up, when Ethereum goes up, the rest of the crypto market goes up along with it. Bitcoin is now inching close to its lowest number in 18 months on the supply exchange ratio. This is a promising sign that markets have decreased the sell-off risk. Whenever there is a massive drop in price, or drop in price of Bitcoin on the exchanges or balance sheet, there is generally a huge spike. Right now, institutions, companies, and a lot of different firms are now buying Bitcoin more than ever before. Guys, a lot of them are taking their Bitcoin out and putting it into cold storage. Guys, this is a very bullish sign that there is huge confidence that these whales have in purchasing Bitcoin currently, and you want to get ready for that spike. So be sure to have some cash on the side to buy the dip on my Patreon, and be ready right when I call it out. Guys, the last time we had a huge drop like this, when Bitcoin hit 20K, it quickly bounced right back up to 40K and people doubled their money overnight. The same exact thing happened when it last dropped to 30K and then it pumped right to 65. And like I said previously, if Bitcoin could surge past this level of resistance, guys, that would be the last of it. That would be the lowest that we had ever seen Bitcoin, and just as I called out, it certainly did that. It surged right past $32,000, and guys, I don't think we're looking back from here. Finally, guys, after a long period of corrections, a cool down period that lasted a very long time, we are finally in an uptrend and expect to see some huge green days in the week ahead. We are currently forming an inverse head and shoulders on the Bitcoin charts, and we are right at the neckline. Guys, I don't think we're looking back from here, and the rest of the crypto market will follow up along with it. Guys, our next level of resistance for Bitcoin is $40,000. If it can hit $40,000 and surge past it, guys, expect to see Dogecoin easily hitting 40 or 50 cents. Guys, with Vitalik and other huge names having a Twitch stream meeting with the Dogecoin founders, expect to see some huge news coming out later on this week. Guys, you want to get in before this happens. You don't want to have FOMO and wish you got in earlier. Guys, Cardano and Ethereum are also breaking past its reverse head and shoulders, which is massively bullish. And like I said, we are also seeing a huge pump from Dogecoin, headed up from there. Guys, if you haven't bought in already, you want to wait for my dip when I call it out, whether it be for Dogecoin or other cryptos that I study. However, guys, I'm never worried about Dogecoin because it is literally one of the most stable altcoins that you could invest in. Oftentimes, when we see the market going down, Dogecoin is maintaining its stability. Guys, with the Ethereum hard fork update coming out August 4th, expect to see Ethereum easily hitting $3,000 around that time. Also, I do expect Dogecoin to hit around 25 cents this week. So guys, that is still some very good percentage profits if you do wait for my dip that I call out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in on a lot of different altcoins. When all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in, I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.